If you've ever had a low tire and needed a quick fix, knowing how to use a portable air compressor for car tires can save you time and money. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use one that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter socket and uses a manual pressure scale in kPa. First, make sure your car is parked on a flat, safe surface and turn on the ignition. Most portable air compressors need power from the cigarette socket, so your car has to be on. Next, plug the compressor into the cigarette lighter port. Once it's connected, take the air hose and attach it to your tire's valve stem. You'll need to unscrew the valve cap first, then press the connector firmly onto the valve and lock it in place if your compressor has a latch. Before turning the compressor on, check your recommended tire pressure. You can usually find this on a sticker inside the driver's door or in your owner's manual. Make sure you're working in kPa since this compressor uses a manual kPa scale. Now turn on the compressor. As it starts pumping air, keep an eye on the built-in pressure gauge. Since it's a manual scale, you'll need to monitor it closely and stop the compressor once it reaches your desired pressure. Take your time here. It's better to fill in short bursts and check the gauge than to overinflate your tire. If you do go over, you can press the valve slightly to release some air. Once you've reached the correct pressure, turn off the compressor and carefully remove the hose from the valve. Quickly screw the valve cap back on to prevent any air from escaping. Repeat the same process for the other tires if needed. It's always a good idea to check all 4 tires to make sure they're evenly inflated. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple car maintenance tips that can save you money and keep you safe on the road. One quick tip: avoid running the compressor continuously for too long, as it can overheat. Give it short breaks if you're inflating multiple tires. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical car guides like this.